Well, today I'm going to fit a cruise control made by KAOKO. Right, there you go guys, that's the KAOKO. Oh, got it focused there for you. This is actually for a Victory gunner, as they don't make one for my bike, and I've just modified it slightly. Take the diameter down at part that fits in the handlebar, nothing dramatic. I'm just about to fit it. There it is, simply fitted on with a Allen screw through the middle. Quite simple, it's nothing hard at all. Difficulty level 1 out of 10. Right, there we have it fitted, and this is how it works. You grab both parts and you screw them on, and that stops, but you still have full control to turn it off. It's on tight, and it flips off. Leave the pressure, and it's back flicking. We'll give it a run, see how it goes. Like I said, it's not the correct one for the bike, so it's having trouble fighting against the spring. Pretty strong spring in the grip. That's half the problem with hand fatigue, trying to fight that spring. Keep it open. But I think it'll work fine. Thanks for watching.